Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Candy brand washing machine and you're getting an E05 error and you're wondering what is this error and is there anything that I can do to get rid of it myself. So first of all, I'll tell you right now, this is not one of the easier errors to get rid of. This is a water heating error. So this can be caused by sort of one or two things. Either the water is failing to heat properly, or the water sensor that senses the temperature is failing to operate properly. So unless you are, actually into washing machine repair, this is one of the errors that you're pretty much just going to need to call for service on. You may very well be able to use the washing machine on cold cycles until you get it repaired. But in terms of actually getting rid of this error, actually getting the problem fixed, you're going to need to get the heating fixed, which is either a sensor or the actual heating. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.